Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Oppo Reno 13 5G smartphone, and in this video I'll show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. It feels really uncomfortable to reach at the corner and open these applications from the home screen, but there's a gesture by which you can easily open these. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on more. There you will see the option of icon pull down gesture. Simply enable this. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can swipe up from the corner like this from the either side of the smartphone. Then it will bring all the apps around your thumb and you can easily open any of these applications. You can do that from either side of the smartphone. So with the help of this gesture, you can open your application from home screen very easily. You can also enable double tap to lock and double tap to wake your screen up feature, so you don't have to keep on pressing a power button for that. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on more. There you will see the option of double tap to lock. Firstly enable this and then scroll down. Also enable double tap to turn screen on or off. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply double tap on the empty area, then it will lock your smartphone, and if you will double tap on the locked screen, then it will wake your screen up. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of simple gesture. Simply open the first application and then swipe up by using three fingers like this. Now select the second application you want to use and you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen. You can also resize any of these apps like this. You can also swipe by clicking on this and then click on swap sides. So you can use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of this simple gesture. You can also use your smart sidebar feature to multitask in your smartphone. This feature is enabled by default. So with the help of that, you can open any of your application in floating window just like that by using your smartphone. So if you want to open any of your favorite application, then simply open your smart sidebar and then open that application. Then it will open it in floating window just like this. You can resize it from the corners, drag and drop it anywhere, and also minimize it like this. If you want to edit the smart sidebar, then click on edit, add your favorite application here, remove unnecessary application from here, and then click on done. So with the help of this smart sidebar, you can multitask in your smartphone very easily. If you want to monitor your real-time internet speed in your status bar, then you can also do that with the help of these settings. You don't have to download any third-party app. Simply open your settings and then click on notification and quick settings. Click on status bar and there you will see the option of real-time network speed. Simply enable this, then it will start showing your internet speed in your status bar. You can also change the battery style in same status bar settings. You can select any of these icons and then click on cancel, then it will set to that style. This phone comes with really amazing themes with this smartphone and you don't have to even connect to the internet. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on wallpaper and style. Here you have different themes. As you can see, these are really high quality themes and really cool looking. Simply click on apply. It will take few seconds. After that it will set it to that theme, and as you can see, this is very high quality themes and you can use it to make your phone look very cool. This phone also comes with AOD or always on display. To enable this, open your settings, scroll down and then click on wallpaper and style. There you will see the option of always on display. Simply click on this. Firstly enable always on display. Here you can select classic or seamless, and if you will scroll down, there you will see different styles for this always on display. Simply select any of these styles. You can further customize this. You can also change colors, add other features. After this, click on apply. Now whenever your phone will be locked, it will show that specific always on display style. Whenever you are on home screen, it feels really uncomfortable to reach at the top and open this control center and notification bar from the home screen, but there is a gesture. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on more. Scroll down, there you will see the option of swipe down on home screen. Click on this. By default it is selected to global search. You have to select notification and quick settings. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply swipe down on the empty area like this. Then it will open your notification center as well as your control center. This phone comes with really cool screen of gestures. To customize this, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on accessibility and convenience. Again scroll down, there you will see the option of gestures and motions. Click on this, select screen of gestures. Here you have different gestures. For example, you can use this one, draw an O to open camera. Click on got it. Now whenever your phone is locked, you can simply draw an O, then it will directly open your camera application. You can use this one, draw a V to turn torch on or off. Now whenever your phone will be locked, you can simply draw a V, then it will turn on your flashlight, and if you will draw it again, then it will turn it off. You can also set your favorite application for any of these alphabets. For example, if you enable this draw M, click on got it, again click on draw an M. Now select open an app. Now here you have all your application of your smartphone. Now select the app for which you want to select this draw M. Now whenever your phone will be locked, you can simply draw a M, then it will launch your application. I have selected YouTube, it is opening YouTube. In the same gesture and motion setting, you will see the option of turn on or off torch with volume button. If you enable this, now whenever your phone will be locked, you can simply long press your volume down button, then it will turn on your flashlight, and if you long press it again, then it will turn it off. If you will long press your power button, then it will launch your voice assistant application or Google Gemini. Now instead of opening your power menu, if you want to set it to power menu, then open your settings, scroll down, click on accessibility and convenience, again scroll down and then select power button. Select press and hold power button and then select power menu. Now you can simply long press your power button to launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as digital assistant, now if you want to open your power menu, then you can simply press the volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will launch your power menu. If you want to increase the life of the battery of this smartphone, then open your settings, scroll down and then click on battery. There you will see the option of battery health. Click on this and then enable this smart charging. So it will charge your phone up to 80% with normal speed, and then it take little bit extra time to charge your phone up to 100%. So you can use this one feature to increase the life of your battery. When it comes to customization, you can change from font to fingerprint animation in this smartphone. To do that, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on wallpaper and style. Scroll down. Now if you want to change the font, simply select fonts. Here you have different options. You can also change the size of these fonts. After this, simply click on apply, then it will change the font of your smartphone. Now if you want to change the size of the icons, then click on icons. Here you can change the size. You can also change the name of these apps. Simply come to your home screen and then tap and hold on the app you want to change the name of. Click on edit. Now type the name and then click on save. Then it will change the name of that app. If you want to change the fingerprint animation, then click on fingerprint animation. Here you have different options. You can select any of these, and then whenever you will unlock your smartphone with the help of your fingerprint animation, then it will show that specific animation. You can also change the UI colors of the smartphone. Click on colors. Here you have different color palettes. You can select your favorite one and then it will change the UI colors according to that color palette. You can also enable this edge lighting feature. If you will enable this, then if someone will message you or any notification will come to the smartphone, then it will show that specific colored edge lighting, as you can see in the preview in your smartphone. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use the next feature to protect your eyes. Open your settings, click on display and brightness. The first one is dark theme. If you enable this, then it will turn all the whites into blacks in the smartphone. So with the help of this, you can decrease the pressure on your eyes. The second one is eye comfort. Click on eye comfort and then enable this eye comfort. It will warm the color of your screen a little bit. As you can see, this will also decrease the pressure on your eye. So you can use these two features if you use your phone at night a lot. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of Oppo Reno 13 5G smartphone. Please let me know which one you like the most and hit the like button of this video. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.